In today's video, we will be taking a look at the new EA desktop, which is currently in open beta. I will also show you how to download and install the program to your Windows 10 PC or laptop if you wish to try it out as well. The first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. As you can see, we do have the EA desktop screenshot on the right hand side, and that it does look very familiar. And I believe that's because it will end up replacing Origin, but we will have to wait and see. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and press the big orange button that says download. You then need to go ahead and press save file. You now need to run the setup file. And you then need to go ahead and press view install options. And you can now choose where you'd like to install EA desktop. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive. And you can then choose if you'd like to create a desktop shortcut. Once you are happy, you can then go ahead and press let's go. And it will now begin to download and install EA desktop. Once the install has finished, you will then be asked to restart your PC. You need to go ahead and save everything you have open and then press yes and restart your machine. Once you have restarted your system, you can now go ahead and open up EA Desktop from the shortcut on your desktop if you created one. If you didn't, then you need to open it up through the Start menu. And this is what the login window looks like for EA Desktop. You now need to go ahead and type in your EA account email and password. If you don't have an EA account, then you can click on create EA account here. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account now. Okay, once you have signed into EA Desktop, this is what you will end up with. And on the right hand side, you can see a list of all your friends. You can add new friends, you can chat to your friends. From the right hand side, you can also change your online status. On the left hand side, you can see we have our main home page. We can go ahead and click on browse. And you can also click on my collection. This is a list of all the games that I currently have on my PC, or the games that I can install that I own. As you can see, I can launch Battlefield 1 and Battlefield 4 and 5 as they are currently installed, but Apex Legends requires an update. If I go down to the bottom here, you can see we have the download manager, which is where we can view what is currently downloading and how long it's going to take to install and download. We can also enable playtime tracking, which allows us to see just how much time we are spending in our games. So if I go ahead and press enable playtime tracking, you can now see your daily hours will appear under my playtime tab, which you can see on the left hand side here, 0 minutes. You can also click in the top left hand corner on the 3 lines, and you can then click on settings, and you can then go across to application, and you can then change a few settings in here, like the in-game overlay. We can also click on my playtime. You can see just how much time you have spent playing your games. You can also click on family playtime and set this up as well. So that is pretty much it for the EA desktop. As you can see, it is very similar to Origin, so it will be very interesting to see just how good EA desktop becomes. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.